About 10 years ago, Biolectric brought the pocket digester to the market. This installation turns manure into energy. As advisors of the Innovation Support Center, we greatly supported the introduction of these pocket digesters in Flanders. In the initial period, 70 to 80 installations were sold at prices between €75,000 and €100,000. But there were unforeseen risks. Biolectric entered into lease contracts with the farmers for the installation. The power produced by the farmers belonged to Biolectric and the farmers could buy it at favorable price. The system required more maintenance and adjustment than supplier and customer had expected. The farmers were not responsible for this and Biolectric did not follow. A lot of farmers made mistakes in the beginning. Trust among farmers is very important. If few are not satisfied, the rest won't be either. In time, an operational group of farmers and outsiders came and together with Biolectric they looked for a solution for the pioneers considering the specific context of the individual farmers. Should an advisory organization promote a very innovative product so extensively? Or should we have done more assessment ourselves first? Innovation advice is risky because it comes from a kind of idealism. You want the sector to move forward. It was a very innovative story of trial and error. To this day, the operational group still meets, and many farmers now own an improved version of the pocket digester.